Guys, I'm freaking pissed. My whole month strategy is trash now. They freaking decided to send all these emails to a bunch of random people that weren't meant to be sent those emails. Thousands of emails in the trash that I had to the whole team had to sacrifice so much time for. So now I'm trying to freaking make up all the lost opportunities that we just lost. Cause I didn't know this. I just found out today. Cause they said, oh, everything's going perfect. When little do I know that they're freaking ruining everything that I worked so hard to build. So right now I'm pissed. I'm trying to fix it. These guys screwed everything over. And yeah, I'm not in a good mood right now. I'm really not. I get an email for
What's up?
Yo bro, so just made another sale. My guy over here, Zan, just made another sale.
Yo.
And the payment just came in.
Yeah, he literally sent us a video. Look at this.
Yeah bro, so no questions on both ends. That's how we like to do things as well, you know, like no questions of payments, no such things, no hold-ons, you know, like they send a screenshot and we check it on our end, and that's how we do things. And his campaign will be shot like very soon. I'll hand you guys over to Fazan to explain the campaign.
Hey Fazan, what's up?
Yeah, so we just logged in a new client and I'm about to hit him up. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the target marketing. We're gonna search which target audience is best for them, which demographic suits his type of track, and which genre is best for which type of audience. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Moreover, there are a sensitive part that's a Genius blog. So we have to get more information when it comes to Genius blog. So we're gonna hit our client next, and yeah, let's see what happens.
So guys, as Fazan explained to you guys about Genius blog, I'll plug it in like further. So we're officially partnered with Genius, and our company can get you on there. We can write your blog, post your lyrics, and the YouTube video up as well. So that brings in a lot of good interactions. If you guys are interested in that, links in the description, hit us up.
Alright guys, so pretty much right now I'm teaching the content guy how to, learn new types of content strategies. He's really good at making, single post pictures. But right now I'm teaching him how to make actual like photo edits and stuff like that. So in the meantime, he's making that kind of content. Our content manager is out for 10 days for personal reasons, but we have to be able to improvise. We can't just say, oh, our content guy is done, so let's just freaking kill this business. Luckily I know every single thing. I'm cocky, but I'm really confident in my skills. I know everything. So just because my content guy is gone, I'm freaking the best content guy in the freaking building. I'm the best sales guy in the building. I'm the best operations guy in the building. So right now we're teaching him how to make this content and getting him involved. So right now I'm teaching him like as a little machine how to learn new things, learn new tricks, learn new things. So he's improvising, learning, adapting, and yeah, let's get it, man. We're gonna make some big moves, and he's gonna be the new content guy. So yeah, let's get it.
Did I just hear Ish say he's the best sales guy? Not really.
Why shut the frick up, bro? You know how much money I locked in single-handedly 1 month? My max month? 40,000. 1 month myself. Touch me, I swear to God you can't. You can't come close. You can't come close. That's why you can't talk, because you can't come close. What's your max month? Oh, 15,000.
Bro, this guy pays my salary, that's why I'm not saying anything, so keep it hush.
Dude, that's common sense. You haven't touched close to 40. You haven't touched, when you come close to 40, then you talk to me. I promise you.
This guy makes 40 and spends 50. That's why he's saying that.
No, but the fact that I can make 40 it's a flex, bro. Don't come close to me, bro.
Bro, whatever he says. Bro,
this guy wanted me to get on a call right now with one of his clients, his potential clients. He wanted me to get on a call because he didn't know what to say. Isn't that right? Isn't that right?
That is correct, but I'm learning.
Shut up.
I'm always learning.
Yeah.
He's at the peak. I'll cross him someday.
Yeah. Shut up, bro. Shut up. I know. So you think the best sales? You really think you're the best sales?
What do you want to say about that?
They're always like that. The whole office is always listening to them crying.
You can't grind 24 hours.
Your team can't do the single month that I did myself. You have 3 people, I have 1 person, I still.
Our timing is spread out.
Zen, what do you want to say about that?
No comments, bro. I'm out here.
Bro, that's why
No, and I still made more money than you, even though I slept. Stop talking. Stop talking. You're killing yourself.
Never, whatever you say.
You're embarrassing yourself.
Whatever.
You're embarrassing yourself.
Get me.
A few moments later.
And my legs. That's all. I need my brain, not phone.
For God's sake, bro, do not show me this ego. Bro, you know how much freaking money and how much dedication I had to fly out to another country just to buy this stuff. Why are you giving me this right now?
Bro, my team doesn't have anything. You gave us a Mac, bro. Hey, Mars, this is Mac for sales team.
Why are you only thinking about yourself?
Bro,
Why are you only
listen,
thinking about yourself? Don't you think about the content team? Don't you think about the operations team and the graphics team?
How many Macs do they need? I changed my Mac's name to sales team. Next minute, it's changed to content team, bro.
Dude, you don't need that. What I'm trying to say is you're being selfish. We are a team. It's not just you. This is freaking Faison's team. This is his team. We are all a team. Stop thinking about yourself. You guys have iPhones. Be happy. They don't have iPhones. That's $1,000 product in your freaking hand.
What I need is a bigger salary.
Dude, you don't need anything.
Bro, my team makes this money you're spending.
I don't care, bro. We are all a team. You guys keep thinking my team, my guy, my phone, my this, my that. It's not yours. Nothing's yours.
Bro.
Everything's ours. It's not even mine either. I'm not gonna over here sit down. These are my computers. Oh my god. No, it's our computers.
You aren't even listening to my argument, bro.
I'm not trying to listen.
You're
because the way
spending too much money is what I'm trying to convey.
Bro, I'm trying to convey that this is our team. I'll spend money for my team, our team.
Bro, this guy is too much, bro. This guy's too much,
Name
bro.
me one thing that I spent that's mine. You can, exactly. Shut the frick up and do your work, bro.
We have to work,
Bro, tell me this. Did we need Mac Minis for this content? We could have bought like a Windows GPC.
No, we couldn't, bro. You know how hard it is to run Photoshop? I have a MacBook Air and I've been using that for freaking 2 years. It's the hardest thing ever. I touched this thing, it freaking turned into an easiest thing ever.
Bro, these screens, 1K per screen.
I don't care,
you told
bro.
me this is
I
1K
don't
per
care.
screen, right?
bro.
It's worth the investment,
Let
bro.
us work, bro. Please.
It's
My
worth the
team-
investment, bro.
My team is
Bro,
unable
give
to
it back.
concentrate, bro.
Give us something as well, bro. My team, I back my team. Give us something as well.
I will give you something for you slap in the Come on now. You just got. You want me to talk about 5 minutes of random
Now
stuff?
he is trying to fight with me that I'm not doing good content.
You. Dude, don't make me pull out the videos that you guys just made today, bro. I'll embarrass you so bad. Do not talk. Do not talk.
Okay.
You're the worst.
That's my mistake.
Yes, it is
I
your
get it.
mistake, okay?
I'm taking the responsibility.
Yes. At least
Yeah.
someone takes a responsibility in here. Freaking thought.
I do.
Bro, this guy, bro, he talks too much. You guys might know, man. He talks too much, right? He must respect me, you know. Like I've been part of this team now. I'm making so much money for him. I don't even spend any. I don't.
Respect these nuts, bro. I swear to God. That's all I gotta say.
I spent not a single penny of last month's earning. He spent each and every penny.
Bro, can you please tell me why are these computers all here? You think they're here for magic and pixie dust?
Bro.
I bought these. These are $1,000 each, bro.
Bro, sales team doesn't get anything.
I don't care. You guys have iPads, this, that. You two have iPhones. Who paid for those iPhones? Bro, please, for God's sake. The time that I'm giving you, just at least go sit down and work. God's sake, bro. An hour. Is my head in the freaking video?
Yeah.
Today is a hectic day. I'm pissed. A lot of things happened that was really bad, but a lot of things happened that was really good. Sales team logged in, I think, how much was it logged in? $5,000 we locked in today, which is okay day, you know, it's all right. You know, but the freaking operations team screwed us over, bro. We had tens of thousands of clients ready to get sent an email that was specific for that specific group of emails. It's hard to explain on camera, but what I gotta say is they screwed us over. They sent 10,000 emails to the wrong place. That's pretty much all I have to say. Pissed me off. I was literally crying earlier. I was freaking stressed out, bro. My freaking hair, I'm surprised I still have hair, honestly. But anyways, guys, you know, it's looking like a good day, but it's still freaking tough to train these guys. My freaking content guy's gone. I don't know where the frick he went, bro. But, you know, he's gone. I think he went to go start his own freaking office or something like that. He was talking about how he wanted to be like he had stripper poles in here. I don't know what he's talking about. Anyways, though, but, you know, we have a content guy, other content guy. I have to teach them, train them. You know, they're not the most proficient. The other guy, the manager, was, but, you know, it's nothing hard. It's nothing that we can't learn. So anyways, guys, we're going to keep grinding. Today was a hectic day, but it's, you know, the day's not over. The war is just beginning. So yeah, let's get started, and you know, let's lock in 70K this month, bro. Let's lock in 70K sales, guy.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Spend more, bro. Spend more, bro.
Please shut up, bro.
Oh,
Just shut up. Just shut up. Shut up. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm a dip. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.